morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic in cyber law, that is the cyber crimes. I think you are very well known about the cyber world, that's a virtual world, and now we can go into details. Cybercrime mainly divided into three: crime against individual, crime against property, and crime against the government. And the types of cybercrime in details. First one, identity theft. Identity theft is a major problem with the people who are using internet for banking transactions. Another method is malicious code. Malicious codes are virus and that are internet-based software programs, and that programs are used for disrupting a network. Another important method is password attack. You are very well known about the password attack, and these password attacks are mainly in the form of guessing the passwords or guessing the user IDs, and these are done by manually or by highly sophisticated automated techniques. And password attacks is the most popular cybercrime in the modern world. And another method is cyber stalking. Cyber stalking is in a form of online harassment against women and children. The victims are women and children. And another method is sniffing the network. Sniffing the network means stealing the personal information like credit card numbers, passwords, and another important informations from the network. And another important method of cybercrime is hacking. Hacking means unauthorized access of one's personal information, and the new version of hacking is cracking. And hacking is very important cybercrime, and it's a very popular type of cybercrime. Another method is tricking. Tricking is a most common method, and it's a most profitable way of attack, and which is also known as social engineering technique. Another method is snooping. It's a type of cybercrime by disabling the internal security features of devices by the shopkeepers to steal the information from servers. Another method is phishing. It's a type of online identity theft by using emails and fraudulent websites. Another method is spamming. Spamming means creating multiple copies of advertisements, and that is known as cyber spam. It is very common in email spamming. Another method is cyber war. Cyber war means using information technology to attack another nation's network. New strategy in the modern warfare is the cyber war. And another method is pornography. And cyber crime related to pornography means creating pornography material by using computer and internet. So most common is in child pornography. Now we can go for a definition of cybercrime. Cybercrime is an unlawful act wherein the computer is either as a tool or as a target, or the both used as a medium. And these cyber acts are punishable by Information Technology Act, and these are happened in cyberspace or virtual space, and become very popular in real space for economy, business, education, politics, and communities. And we can go for in details the types of cybercrime. In types of cybercrime, as we discussed earlier, mainly divided into three: crime against government, crime against persons, crime against property. And as the cybercrime against government means the cyber terrorism, cyber pornography, defamation, cyber stalking, sale of illegal articles, sale of narcotics, sale of weapons, and sale of wildlife materials through virtual world, and online gambling, intellectual property crimes, that means software piracy, copyright infringement, and trademark violation, theft of computer source code, another method is email spoofing, forgery, and another method is hacking. Salami attack, malware means viruses, software piracy, forgery, and absence or offensive content, pornography, cybersex, fraud, phishing, spoofing, spam, denial of services by the service providers, and threatening by cyberspace, net extortion, cyber terrorism, drug trafficking, cyber warfare, cyber stalking, cyber defamation, and ICR crimes. These are considered as the cyber crimes in details. It's very important. You can expect an essay type question for cyber crimes. And another method is different types of cyber crimes, that is hacking, information theft, email bombing, salami attack, denial of service, and web jacking. The causes are passion of youngsters, and for the sake of recognition, for misconception of frightening and dissatisfaction, drawback of judiciary system, lack of evidence, inaccessibility of crimes, loopholes in the system, negligence of security and security data, and how we can protect yourself against cyber crimes. The solution for enforcement of cybercrime mainly divided into increased human and motor resources by increased technical training, adequate technology development, increased language training, and increased international cooperation. Thank you.